guys, what's going on?
Hey guys, nice early morning, a little snow out there.
Yeah, 4 o'clock in the morning, it's nothing too bad, right? And so we're on our way to Georgia, where hopefully the weather is a little bit warmer and...
It's not.
Okay.
It's gonna be that much warmer.
Nice. Okay, I didn't know that. So anyways, this is the beginning of one of our famous travel vlogs that hopefully is going to turn out to be awesome and fun, thanks to Dane behind the camera here. So needless to say, you've seen this all before. Let's get on the road. So we've been here for 45 minutes and we might miss our connecting flight. Yeah,
Good start.
we would have already been halfway there, but yeah, cool.
North Carolina.
Are you kidding me? Like, let's chill in Salt Lake for the day. we're not flying to North Carolina. Hey guys, so not going great so far. The one day it snowed in Boise happened to be today, and it delayed us for 45 minutes. We no longer have a direct flight to Georgia, so now we're flying to North Carolina. We're jumping on this flight. We're gonna head to Atlanta, go grab a rental car. It's been a long day, but we finally got some good luck. We're all gonna sit next to each other.
Probably get a little bumpier down there.
Really bumpy.
Our space flight time is 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Doing okay, bro?
And due to the
All right, so we finally made it to Georgia, and we were hanging out 4.5 hours.
Later than we should have.
Pretty turbulent flight, and pretty sure some guy was shitting himself on the plane. But I don't know if that's supposed to be in this, but it was pretty bad. Who's going to be manning this this vehicle we're getting?
This guy.
Ooh,
How good of a driver would you say you are? Rating
I
out
would
of 10.
say I am a 98% competency. Yeah.
So competent is not the same as actual skill, physical on-the-road skill.
If I took more driver's training courses, perhaps I'd be a higher skill level. But I feel like what I can offer is a safe trip to your destination, no matter where it is.
Perfect. That's what we like to hear, isn't it, guys?
I think I can deliver that.
oh, okay then.
Dane, we are working out, and we request your presence. Anthony, what do you think?
Hey Dane, we miss you, man. Dane, do you want a beer for the drive?
No.
Are you filming us right now?
Who's gonna start filming a tour?
Man.
Dane, you need to see this whirlpool over here.
What? That is a whirlpool.
Gosh, it reminds me of the county fair.
I'm sitting here earlier and I'm like, it's a water tornado because I couldn't remember the word whirlpool.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is some not clean water.
But we like to have fun here at the day before the Serum Summit.
Alright guys, so we've been making rounds today here in Atlanta area, and so now we're at Red's Detail Shop with Foxy Noxy, and we are trying to figure out our windshield right now because we're having some weird hydrophobic issues, which aren't actually so hydrophobic at all. And so this rental car is is definitely giving us some problems because as you can see,
the rain we're in?
it is a pretty bad rain, as you probably could tell from all the video stuff. And this windshield has something on it that we cannot figure out what the heck it is, but it's preventing pretty much anything from sticking to it. So we're probably gonna go to desperate measures here to get this windshield coated. So anyways, just wanted to chime in, say what's up, say we're having a good time, and I'll catch you in a bit. All right, so we did find a solution. So we actually, as weird as it sounds, we had crystal sealant in our car, but we didn't have trigger sprayers for it. So we just sprayed a little bit on the windshield here, and we have a perfectly hydrophobic surface. So I'll show you guys really quick.
That's a million times better.
I got video. Good. Oh my God, Dane.
How bad was it?
Bad. It was bad.
So remember when we were back east and we had to stop at that weird bathroom because you needed to use it?
Yeah, sure.
That was kind of a rough bathroom.
Yeah.
This is now by far worst bathroom we've ever seen on the road.
Oh
The number of bugs on the floor that were dead was great. The holes in the wall filled with garbage was amazing also. The spider webs all over everything. Wonderful. The bucket of water just sitting
there's
there.
a bag of, I don't know what is in that bag.
There's a
but
bag of stuff. Like, just impressive, really.
Yeah.
But I bought a soda, so.
Good. Let's get the hell out of here.
Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to pop it into gear, right?
No.
Okay, I didn't think so. Because none of us want you to pop it into gear
No,
either.
we really don't want
Okay, so just hold that green button down until she fires up, and it shouldn't take long.
Yep.
Now, why don't we just tell the folks at home what's going on here so they know why we're in this?
They should
kind
know.
of funny.
It says live at the Gtechniq.
It says that, but like if they hear, voices around the room and they're wondering what's going on all over the place, I figure they probably ought to know.
The obvious.
We're in a building.
There was a
it is
picture and
occupied.
everything.
There are
Yeah,
other people
there's
around,
like a
so we don't
phone.
want to cramp their
It's like
style.
they all
but
know that we're doing
people are
this.
setting up for Gtechniq Serum Summit. That's the whole idea.
Oh my God, are we allowed to eat it?
All right, so I don't know how to say this, guys. This is probably one of the most embarrassing things that's ever happened. We got a code number to get one of the rooms, the cabins here at the Dahlonega, and
Way down the hill over
we walk in and it's already taken. There's somebody already sleeping. There's a guy sleeping in the bed who looks like he was scared out of his mind that we just literally broke into his hotel room.
Right. Terrifying.
My favorite part is that we walk in and Levi says, "Oh, it looks like there's somebody already in here," as we continue to open the door instead of just probably closing it immediately. So we had that going for us, which was definitely...
It was more of a courtesy thing. Like, you don't want to just pop in someone's door and then disappear. You want to let them know you're not a, stranger danger.
That was crazy. So right now we're on the phone trying to get this figured out because Dane and Morgan have rooms. Me and Levi's room was supposed to be down there. And let's just say I'm glad that didn't happen to us because that would have sucked. So hopefully we get this figured out and we have a nice security safe room that we can sleep in tonight. We'll see.
Yep.
All right, guys, so it is day 1 of the Serum Summit here at the Atlanta Motorsports Park. AMP is what we call it, and the weather is a little bit different than last year. As you can see, it is actually snowing right now, whereas last year it was a nice sunny 60 degrees. The booth setup, though, looks absolutely awesome. People are walking around and checking things out. The goal for the day is that we are going to be hanging out at the booth, hanging out with our friends downstairs across the hall. We have a ton of our friends here. Color Lock, Matt from Obsessed Garage, Rupa's USA. We got the guys with Glass Parency. We have the guys, of course, Gtechniq, and then the list goes on. Exo Shield, it keeps going, keeps going. So tons of people here. Ivan is also here doing some late country demos, which is cool. So we'll go check him out here in just a little bit. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, cold day, but it's gonna be fun. See ya.
You guys are just fun doing it.
Dane,
Are you kidding me?
That's good one. So, I just want to set the scene. Dane's creepily set up a camera in between me and Anthony's beds. And we told Dane that he can't have a camera in our room as I won't feel comfortable because he might leave it in here recording unbeknownst to Anthony and I.
So there's a smart car here that can't drive in the snow. So snow is pretty...
It is slick.
I'm
slipping.
It's pretty
in this.
foreign to Georgians. Is that how you say it?
I was gonna say, we're in Georgia right now. It doesn't feel like we're in
Yeah, it
Georgia.
looks like we're in Georgia right now. So there's a smart car that's around a roundabout or around a turn.
She almost got hit
That
again.
is, this is going to be an accident. So we're going to see if we can help her out and see if we can get her into this area and help her. So.
Well, hopefully that did the trick. Now at least it's much, much safer.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, no, it is so slick.
Levi and Anthony from the Rag Company with Morgan, helping out a Good Samaritan while somebody else gets in a wreck.
Yeah, I wasn't filming when that happened, but the guy does not sound happy either.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yep. Let's get in the car, Dane, and see
Yep.
more everybody else grab it.
Yeah.
What do detail companies do during Snowmageddon? We make content.
What's the plan?
We're gonna sled on the Gtechniq skateboard with the Gtechniq knee pad.
Okay.
Oh, you guys are in perfect timing. We're going sledding. Oh my God.
Yep. Say hi to YouTube.
Welcome back to Wisconsin.
Yeah, could have fooled me.
Hurry up, the lady's coming.
Oh my God, this
They're
is
probably gonna say we can't
crazy.
do this, Mitch, hurry up. No, we're...
Let her rip, hang 10.
Someone give him a little push. Oh God. How you gonna get up?
Oh,
Hope he's got insurance.
no. There he goes.
Oh God.
Nothing, nothing, no snow at all. Oh.
Go on the back of the tent.
Well, that backfired.
It's too slushy.
All right, guys, it's hour 6, and this may be the last transmission here at the Atlanta Motorsports Park. It is power is flickering. We've lost power at half the building. You can see it's dark inside here, and it's getting pretty scary. We ran out of food. We still have coffee. Spirits are still high, but we can tell that we're not leaving anytime soon. So we may not make our flight tomorrow. We may not make it back to the Dahlonega, and I've set up camp in my own little slice of heaven here at the gym here at AMP, and at least if I go out, I'll go out in good shape, and that's what hopefully anybody could ask, in a situation like this. So I want to tell my mom, my family, my wife, my future kids that I don't have, that I love them, and I to continue feeding the dogs every day at 5. I can't say this. Dane, shut the camera. Shut the camera. All right, so maybe that was a little over the top, a little unrealistic. So things are actually fine here. Power's not out. We just turned the lights off in this room for that one little scene there. But other than that, we still actually don't have food. People are playing cards, so it's gotten to that point. But everybody's in good mood. Everybody's in good shape. We're still doing the trainings. People are still doing trainings downstairs. For the most part, we're all just hanging out, BSing. It's like a big, kind of like a snow day, indoor snow day.
Winter camp.
Winter camp, yeah, is what it is.
There's an ambulance stuck on the hill.
Yeah, in all honesty.
And a FedEx truck in a ditch.
Yeah. I mean, it is that bad out there, but we're all in a good mood. We're just going with the flow. So, anyways, hopefully make our flight tomorrow. I don't have any feeling that we're gonna be missing anything. We're gonna be able to get back home, get back to the inn at the Dahlonega Inn. So that's all going great. But yeah, it's kind of been an odd day here at the Serum Summit. But like I said, we're all in a good mood. We're all having fun, and hopefully we'll be able to eat soon. Fingers crossed.
All I know is this is gonna make a great podcast.
This is gonna make a great podcast.
Well, Anthony, we got the booth packed up. We're getting some food.
We got food. We actually have food. I couldn't believe it. They were like heroes walking through the door saying, "We've made it. We've traveled miles on foot with this delicious Mexican food," and so we're very excited for it. So, yeah.
I got gravity.
Okay, that's more like it.
This is the funniest thing that's ever happened.
All right, Dane.
We just have to think of front wheel drive terms.
That
Yeah.
was so fun.
That's how I usually live my life thinking. Good job, Dean.
So battling what we do in our dysfunction at school, he was the only one. So there you go.
picking Matt up for school.
Well, that was a crazy trip. We flew to Atlanta, then got in a lot of delays, a snowstorm, more snow, weird weather, cold weather. It was like we went to Atlanta, we went to the south. Why was there snow, Anthony?
I don't know, it was like we never left.
Yeah, so we're here, we're back. Thank you to Gtechniq for hosting the Serum Summit. Thanks to all the vendors that were also there with us. Thanks to everybody that showed up. We had a great time hanging out with all our friends. It was fun hanging out with Matt Mormon of Obsessed Garage. Justin, I am so sorry. Justin painted the Rapid Studios doing his demo today. We missed out on that because, well, we had to fly. Yeah. But we got to see all our friends, and it's always fun to hang out at the Delana. So,
Yes, it is.
I'm tired. Let's go home.
Let's get out of here.